Now, with the government bringing in a bill that proposes to change the country's rape laws, making them gender neutral, the big debate is whether this will dilute the law. A special report.
Should the proposed bill aimed at expanding the definition of rape be gender neutral? Will that dilute the law to the disadvantage of women? Questions that have women's rights activists divided.
I can't see the point of going for changes in the definition of rape if you're not going to make marital rape criminal. It isn't as of today. As I said, the only reason I can see for making it gender neutral is if you're going to remove 377.
And we should keep it as laws related to rape and sexual assault as far as the women are concerned. And whatever you want to do otherwise for looking at sexual assault for boys or children on the street, when you're talking about sexual exploitation, I think that should be written differently, it should be treated differently, because once again, even till today, there are many loopholes even when you're considering rape law.
Criticism aimed at proposals under discussion to extend the definition of rape to sexual violence by a man against another, a woman against another woman, and the most controversial one, sexual assault by a woman against a man.
I have heard it said that there can be situations in situations in which men are harassed. But to cross the border and to say that it can be violence in the form of rape, frankly, I don't believe that happens. I mean, in my 40 years of practice, I haven't come across any such case.
The proposals, though, do have their supporters, especially those campaigning for the rights of sexual minorities.
Affecting the transgender group, the sexual violations, sexual assaults that are happening on them, especially from the police, people who are supposed to be guardians of law, how they are violating their, whatever, they don't come under man, woman, whatever categories that we are looking at in this new law.
Clearly, the government will have to do more to turn its proposal into law. With Yogesh Pawar in Mumbai and Barkha Dutt in New Delhi, Shibani Bedi for NDTV.
Tuba.com